Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to look at the Postimage Windows app now, which is a lot slicker and a much better way of uploading lots of pictures if you want to paste them onto the forum very quickly indeed. And also it has lots of other extra features that are quite useful, where you can edit screenshots or images, etc., before posting them. So without any more ado, I'm going to go through the install procedure and show you how that works. So the first thing you do is go to postimage.org, click the Windows app option, and then here download setup.exe. So I'm going to click that and immediately it downloads. Click on open file, click yes if that pops up on your screen, and then you'll get the standard Windows installers. Click OK for English, next, yes to create that. Then that will create the startup item, so every time you reboot your computer the Postimage app will load, so it's always available. You can create a desktop icon if you wish. Next, install, and away it goes. It's very quick. And then we'll make sure launch Postimage is selected, and that will load it into memory. So click finish, and that's that bit done. So when we move down the screen here, so what we call our system tray, you should see, it'll pop up in a second, there we go, the little Postimage icon. That means it's ready to rock and roll, ready to go. So what can we do with it? Well, let's first of all, let me just show you how quick it is now to send images to be posted on the forum. So let's say you've got a lot of pictures from your holidays, you want to show everybody. All you've got to do now is go to your images on your computer in your pictures folder. Let's say I want to send all these here from around Lake Annecy up on the forum. All I've got to do now is just highlight all those. So I'm just going to drag right across. I think there's 7 there, and then all I have to do is right click on all of those, go to send to, and there you'll see post image. So I'm going to click that, and away it goes. You sometimes see this little window in the bottom that's showing what it's doing, and then up pops a website once they're all uploaded, and it's straight to the Postimage website that we looked at before in video 1. But now they're all there for us. So all I have to do is make sure a hot link for forums is selected, click the copy button, go to my forum where I'm ready to make my post. Here we are in the Fruitcakes forum, and as before, right click in there, paste. There they all go, posted nicely in. Post quick reply, and bingo! There are all those lovely photographs for everyone to see on the forum. Simple as that. So it's quite a quick way of doing that, and that works for any forum. So I'm going to delete that because we don't want that cluttering up that post. What else can we do with it? Well, this is the interesting bit. Let's say I want to give somebody some instructions and say how to use this site, for example. I can just now press my print screen key. You'll see it goes dark. I want to tell somebody to click on that choose image there. So I'm going to highlight this bit of the screen here. And now this is the interesting bit. You'll see you've got lots of options here. We can send that to an email, Facebook, Twitter, or X as it's now known. But this is the one I want to use first here, this little edit icon. See that there? So I'm going to click that. Now I get these here, so I can do things like point an arrow. By clicking the arrow there, I can choose the color of the arrow. It's green. So I'm going to say point to the choose images. Then I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to make the text, well, make the text green as well. And here I'm going to say click here, please. And there we go. And now that's an instruction on a screenshot. So now I'm going to upload that. Same as before, hot link for forums, copy into my post, right click, paste, post quick reply, and there it is for everyone to see. Just delete that. So there are other options. There are other things you can do. If you wanted to, you could send it to an email. You can copy it and paste it straight into an email. That's always quite a useful one. If anyone's got any questions, then please post them in the comments. Thank you for watching.